Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to change your Zoom password. Whether you want to update it for security reasons or simply change your password, I'll guide you through the process step by step. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official Zoom website at zoom.com. Once you are there, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and enter your login credentials. After logging in, click on Profile from the left sidebar. Scroll down until you find the Sign in Password section. Click on Edit next to your password. You will be asked to enter your old password. Go ahead and type in it. Next, type your new password. Make sure to choose a strong password with a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Once you have entered your new password, click Save Changes to update it. Zoom will ask if you want to sign out from all devices. Simply click OK. Zoom will confirm the change and you will need to use this new password the next time you log in. If you forget your password, you can always reset it using the Forget Password options on the login page. Enter your email address and the reset link will be sent to your inbox. Click on the link, follow the instruction to create a new password, and then log in with your updated credentials. And that's it. Now you know how to change your Zoom password. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.